Hi, my name's Michael. I'm the Principal Chiropractor here at Chichester Chiropractic Health Centre. Today I'm going to be running you through some exercises for your lower back and for your core. These exercises are designed to help to regain the strength and regain the tone through the muscles in your abdominals, through your obliques, through your glutes and into your lower back, helping to give support and stability to the joints that are now moving better. Now, while doing these exercises, should they aggravate things, should they not feel good while doing the exercises, please try doing them a little bit more gently or doing a few less repetitions. If you can't find a comfortable way of doing it, not a problem. Please just put them on hold and mention that to your chiropractor at your next appointment. They'll work out why and then give you something that's more appropriate for you. Otherwise, let's get to it. So here I'm going to run through some exercises for your lower back and for your core. Everything I'm going to show you here, I'd like to go very gentle with at first, especially if you've already been through the first phase of your treatment plan, which is aimed at encouraging more mobility. What we may not be expecting is how hard these can be for our body to complete. So please at first go very gentle with these, slowly introduce them, and as they get easier, you can slowly look to increase either the amount of time you're holding each position for or even the amount of repetitions. So for these, we're going to be starting laying on our back, and we're going to have our knees roughly bent to 90 degrees. Now here, you're going to let yourself just gently relax into the floor, make sure you're comfortable here, and then we're going to lift the pelvis up. So we're allowing those muscles in your glutes and into your lower back to lift yourself up. Now again, only come as far as comfortable here. So for me, this is perfectly comfortable. I can even probably stretch that a little bit further. However, for some, it may just be a case of just enough engagement to start lifting you off the floor. Then again, as you build that strength, you can slowly find you'll come that little bit further. So once you're in, you've reached your position, you're then going to hold there for 5 seconds. Just gently breathing in and out through the nose and mouth, and then slowly let yourself come back down. At first, I'd like you to just do that 5 times, so nothing too extreme. So I'm going to show you this one more time. Engaging the glutes, engaging the muscles in your lower back, you're going to slowly lift yourself up. You're going to hold there for 5 seconds and then slowly bring yourself back down. Next, we're then going to be coming on to getting the muscles in your core engaged, both your superficial and your deep core. So for the superficial core, we're going to take the hands either across the shoulders or just gently behind the neck. I'm going to show you with the shoulders. I find this is more comfortable for me. And we're just going to gently lift up so we get those shoulder blades up off the floor. Now for some, it may literally be enough just to lift the head and start to lift yourself up. If you find getting the shoulder blades up is too uncomfortable, then just don't go that far. Again, you're going to hold that for 5 seconds, slowly bring yourself back down and repeat 5 times. So let's show you that again. Keeping the head neutral to the upper back, so you're not craning it in. It's a lift of the shoulders, not a lift of the head. You're going to hold there 5 seconds and slowly back down. For the next set, we're going to suck the stomach in as much as we possibly can. Try and concave this as much as you feel that you're able to do. You're going to hold there, and then you're going to do the same movement again. A lot of people find this an awful lot harder. You're going to hold there again, 5 seconds, slowly bring that back down. Now the next exercise, there's 2 different versions of this. We're going to do some leg raises. I'm going to show you the easiest version first. And this is, let your legs come down onto the floor. And you're going to lift the knees up towards the chest and slowly bring them back down. Now this is one that can cause discomfort into the lower back. If you do feel that is the case for you, cut this one out for the time being, little by little. Maybe just do 1 each time. You'll slowly find it starts to get easier. But if it is comfortable for you, we're going to repeat 5 of this movement. Now this is the basic version. The more advanced version is we're going to keep the legs straight. We're going to engage the abdominals. Some people might even find it more comfortable just to kind of hold the floor to add more support. And you're going to lift the legs straight up and then slowly back down. And again, you're going to repeat this movement 5 times. So once we've done those, we're then going to turn over and we're going to get onto all fours. So you've got the palms underneath the shoulders, you've got the knees underneath the hips. And we're going to start by lifting the leg up behind us, leg at 90 degrees. And for some people, this again might be as far as you go. But if you feel that you're ready for a bit more of a challenge, you're going to take the opposite arm and you're going to bring it straight out in front of you. You're going to hold there 5 seconds, bring back down, and then you're going to do the same on the other side. So bent knee, up, and then bring the other hand up, so you're reaching straight out in front of you. Again, keep the neck neutral here. We don't want to cock up. Most people want to look at their hand. Ideally, I'd like you just to keep the spine nice and straight, looking at the floor, and then bring back down 5 times on each side. If you are looking for a little bit more of a challenge still, then instead of having the knee bent, bring the leg out perfectly straight, point the toes, and then do the same again with that arm. Keeping the head nice and neutral, holding there 5 seconds, bring back in, and do the same onto the opposite side, and bring down. So, with these exercises, I need you to be sensible. I need you to listen to your body and work out what feels good for you and what's achievable for you. I'd like you to try everything, but find the version that feels most appropriate for your level. And once you feel that that's starting to get easier, you're feeling more stable in the core, more stable in the lower back, it's not causing you any discomfort either during or afterwards, you can then slowly look to increase either the amount that you do or go up some of the stages that I've shown you there. You can always come back to this video, re-watch, make sure you're doing things correctly, maybe even worth getting a friend or family member just to critique you and make sure that you are actually in the position that you think you are in. But otherwise, enjoy it. And if you have any questions, please reach out to your chiropractor at your next appointment, and they can run through any questions that you might have. Otherwise, enjoy these.